The 18-hole Mount Washington Golf Course, with New Hampshire's spectacular presidential mountain range as a backdrop, was designed by legendary Scottish golf architect Donald Ross. Completed in 1915, this par 72, 7,004-yard course has hosted 4 New Hampshire Opens and the prestigious New England Open Championship. Reopened on August 1, 2008, the Mount Washington course has been restored to Ross's original plans by noted golf course architect Brian Silva, including bunkers crafted in the classic flair and infinite varieties of recovery shots in the closely cropped areas around the putting greens. The breathtaking world-class scenery around the Mount Washington golf course is second to none. Whether it's the vibrant autumn foliage or the lush summer greens, you'll find yourself in awe of the splendor surrounding you. In the winter months, the trails and fields become a cross-country skier's paradise, and the golf clubhouse becomes the Nordic Center and serves as your headquarters for this winter wonderland. The par 5 11th hole and the par 3 5th hole feature stunning views of the Mount Washington Hotel and surrounding mountains. The Mount Washington course has been voted GolfWeek magazine's best course you can play in New Hampshire since 2009. In addition to the 18-hole Mount Washington course, the Omni Mount Washington Resort also features the historic Mount Pleasant course, a 9-hole par 35, 3,215-yard course. Resort guests ages 12 and under play for free on the Mount Pleasant course when accompanied by a paying adult. Junior club rentals are included. The Mount Pleasant course is a great course for pressure-free family golfing and includes junior tee locations on every hole and family-friendly pin placement. For those who would prefer a shorter golf experience, enjoy the option of a 6-hole round. Individual tee times can be scheduled and golf lessons arranged by contacting our Golf Pro Shop, which also offers club and cart rentals, golf apparel, equipment, and supplies. Located adjacent to the Pro Shop, the distinctive locker rooms are reminiscent of the early 1900s, with the original wooden lockers used by numerous golf celebrities, sports legends, and dignitaries. Located in the Bretton Golf Clubhouse, the Grill restaurant features indoor and outdoor seating with some of the most spectacular views of the presidential mountain range anywhere. For more information, or to make your plans to join us at the Omni Mount Washington Resort Golf Course, call 603-278-4653.